Talk.
If somebody insults you, are you mad? Or you must be crazy? But I don't think it's ideal to retaliate or so. You understand? The best thing for me, you know, so sometimes it's not easy. When it comes to my fiancé, I dey cool, but if I see say another person, I dey retaliate to. I dey tell you, I dey retaliate.
Why, sir?
Sometimes I say apply it to, but sometimes if I see say don't too much. A few days ago, I think yesterday, the lady just like, you get what they tell me. Forget say don't mind, I reply am back. You know, something you just do deliberately. But remember, no be everything wey woman talk dey follow shower. She get women, they can be so insultive. If you want follow like that, remember this lady you are talking about, you are going to live with her, let's say forever. So sometimes we just pay deaf ear, say not here, but later you can't come back to her. Maybe you do, I don't like her. And at the same time, she should be able to copy as well. Not be every time you just say the hot word, because man of it just stay like that. See, now so you just they receive. If you want to follow women like that, I will record everything. Women just get this. Some women, that is, if you can cope, you get now. There are some people who cannot cope, who cannot bear. If you can bear,
what about hitting a woman?
Hit. Nah, I don't want to do that of it. Not hit your girl. Anger D, but not hit your girl. Not be everybody they like that hitting.
Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm Dr. Hazel. Please, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Please, what do you understand by domestic violence or domestic abuse?
Domestic violence is when a man is maltreating his wife, beating his wife, fighting, and every other thing, and also it happens in both sides.
Okay.
The woman can also maltreat the husband, like husband that work for over a whole day, comes home and food is already. And when you ask her, she will tell you I was busy all the day. What busy doing? What? Pressing phone. So indirectly, the woman is maltreating the man. And maybe because of the quietness of the man will keep quiet, and our issue will continue. So the woman is
okay. So, excuse me, sir. What's the best way to tackle if there is an issue between couples? What's the best way you can tackle it?
Well, it varies because one man's meat is another one poison. It's very the way I tackle my wife, that will not be the way to tackle. Some people will just say when there is an issue, they dialogue it. You call your wife together, you talk about it. If your wife is an understandable type, she might listen and take corrections. But there are some persons who don't take correction in that way, or maybe when you are trying to talk them to it, they will be shouting or reacting excessively, and you cannot condone that. Maybe you can decide to walk away. But when you walk away, you only prolong the evil days because you still come back to meet the issue. To me, how my own best way, I can just be silent. I'll be silent for a long time for the woman to realize that she has actually offended me. When you see my mode that I'm silent, you will not come down that only that's what you want to do. Okay, I'll just keep quiet. Even when she's talking, I'll keep quiet. But a long time now she realized that she actually offended me. That's why I'm keeping that silent. Not even mindless. We might be doing something, might be eating together. I'll be silent a bit. So you now come and talk out of it. And this thing you did, I will not have it. So she take correction like that.
Okay, thank you.
But
very
other
much,
person might not see the other person might just understand themselves and talk themselves. Other person walked away, but if it prolonged. But talking is the best thing that I've had.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Domestic abuse. Domestic abuse is any form of violence, control, or mistreatment by a partner, family member, or cohabitant. It includes physical abuse, hitting, slapping, choking, emotional, psychological abuse, threats, insults, isolation, sexual abuse, forced or unwanted sexual activity, financial abuse, controlling money or resources, verbal abuse, humiliation, constant criticism, health effects, gynecological problems, sleep disturbances, gastrointestinal issues, mental health, depression, anxiety, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, suicidal thoughts or attempts, low self-esteem, long-term effects, substance abuse, Poor reproductive health. Increased risk of chronic diseases, for example, hypertension, heart disease. Control and prevention. 1. Awareness and education. Teach about healthy relationships. Public campaigns to reduce stigma. 2. Support systems, hotlines, shelters, counseling services, medical, legal, and psychological help. 3. Legal protection. Enforcement of laws against abuse. Restraining protection orders. 4. Empowering victims. Access to healthcare, education, jobs, safe housing and financial independence. 5. Community involvement. Religious and community leaders playing active roles. School and youth programs.